Hello, my name is Valeria and I've been working on my Gothic tarot deck for over a year now. I'd like to share a small update of my progress. At the moment, I've completed the Major Arcana and 21 cards from the Minor Arcana. I'm currently working on the Six of Swords card. There is still a lot of work ahead and I'm progressing slowly. Considering my pace, I'm a bit concerned about whether my work will be still relevant and whether traditional art will be by the time I finish the deck. I'm, of course, referring to the development for AI and its impact even in my niche. Unfortunately, I have felt the impact personally. But no matter how the future unfolds, I'll still complete the significant project. There are artists who enjoy the process, and there are those who enjoy the outcome. I belong to those who are result-oriented. Seeing the result of my efforts is important to me, as it helps maintain motivation over the long haul. Additionally, it's motivating to know that each completed work becomes new content for my social media, with the people who appreciate my tarot and look forward to it. In the traditional tarot card for the Six of Swords, there's a boatman transporting two passengers, with Six of Swords inside the boat. As you can see, I don't literally and word for word replicate the classical plot and composition. My main goal is to fit the cards into the style of my deck, while preserving the gothic and dark atmosphere and my authenticity. I try to make sure the card's meaning aligns with the image I'm creating. I'll try to share updates of my deck from time to time. A special thanks to those who follow my art and have purchased the original art and prints of my tarot cards.